Welcome to the tutorial on how to use NFT Kraken. NFT Kraken is a scraping, bidding, and sniping bot that runs actions on OpenSea. You can bid on an entire collection within a few clicks. If you would like to purchase NFT Kraken, you can join our Discord, which is linked below. Without further ado, let's get started. Once you've purchased NFT Kraken, a member of our sales team will send you a download link. You can go ahead and go to the link on WeTransfer and download the file. After the file is downloaded, you can go ahead and install it using WinRAR. Click I agree to license terms and conditions and install. Just like that, NFT Kraken is successfully installed. Now that NFT Kraken is installed, you can simply right click the shortcut, run it as administrator. Now you'll be prompted to activate your account. This is where you enter your license key. You can simply copy and paste your license key in and hit activate. And there it is. Your NFT Kraken account is now activated. Now you can see our UI. As you can see, you have bot 1, bot 2, bot 3, bot 4, and bot 5. Before you do anything though, you want to go to your settings in the top right and scroll down to Chrome driver, and you want to install Chrome driver. Simply click install. And there it is, it's as easy as that. Chrome driver is now installed. Next to the settings tab, you also have your account information. This will simply show your email and your account ID. And then you also have your application license and when your license will expire. Now let's get started on how to scrape your first collection. So before scraping a collection, what you want to do is go to OpenSea and find the desired collection you wish to scrape. So scraping is basically grabbing the assets of the collection, so our bot will be able to bid on them. So as you can see here, I've gone to my desired collection. All you want to do is copy and paste the collection URL, go to your top left, and paste it into the collection slug. And then when you're ready, you can hit scrape. And there it is, the collection is now scraped. Now you'll find the file under your C drive in your documents. So obviously it'll be different depending on your computer, but it'll always be under NFT Kraken collections and then your collection that you decided to scrape. So now what you want to do is click browse and navigate to your documents folder, NFT Kraken, collections, and here you'll find the desired collection that you wanted to scrape. And you'll see it's split up into 5 different files. This is basically because having a 10,000 collection into one file is just way too big. So in order to utilize the 5 bots, we can actually separate the collection into 5 different files, so all the 5 bots can run at once. It doesn't matter what file you use for a bot, it's simply just split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 1 would be, for example, 0 to 2000, number 2 would be 2001 to 4000, etc. So for this one, I'm just going to use 2. And then you also have your bidding settings. So this will be your price if you wanted to bid 1 Ethereum, if you wanted to bid 10 Ethereum, if you wanted to do 0.05, 0.1. For this tutorial, I'll just do 0.09. You also have your expiry date. So we offer 30 minute, 1 hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days. And we also have a month. I'll just use 30 minutes. And there you go, you're all set to hit start. So now you're all set to hit start. What we're actually going to do though is set up your Chrome driver so it's ready to bid. This is a one-time setup, so you're only going to have to do this once. In future though, all you're going to have to do is log into your MetaMask manually and make sure it's connected to OpenSea. So now we can hit start. And as you can see, it's going to be a fresh Chrome. So what you're going to have to do is go to metamask.io and install MetaMask. So you can click download now and install MetaMask for Chrome. Again, make sure you're going to the legit metamask.io website. And then you can simply click add to Chrome and add extension. You can wait for that to download. Now as you can see, it can be added. I'm just going to pin it. Then you can click get started. And if you want to create a new wallet, you can create a new wallet. If you already have a wallet like I do, and I assume you would do as well, you can just click import wallet. So I'll be right back when I import my wallet. So as you can see, my wallet's now connected. I've got ETH and I've also got WETH. Again, you want to make sure you have WETH before you start any bidding. Now what you can do is head to OpenSea and just go to the top right and connect your wallet. Go to MetaMask, click next and click connect. And you're all set. So there it is, your wallet's all set up. You can see it's connected to OpenSea. So now what you can do is you can actually close out of that. Close out of the MetaMask tab. And then you can re-click start. And you can actually start bidding. So here we go. We can click start again. And it's going to reopen Chrome driver. You want to go to your MetaMask and log in. Again, each time you're going to have to log into your MetaMask, and then you want to go to OpenSea and make sure it's connected. So as you can see, it's connected here. Now you're all set to click next. And if all goes well, it'll load up the collection that you decided to scrape, and it'll do its magic. You can see it's done the custom width amount you've put into the bot, custom date, and it'll make the offer. And it does it all for you. So once you're satisfied with all the bids you've placed, you can simply hit stop, and it'll stop the bidding and it will close. And that's it. That's how you use NFT Kraken. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in purchasing NFT Kraken, feel free to join our Discord that is linked in the description box below.